हेलो बच्चों, तो आज 2 अक्टूबर है। 2 अक्टूबर को हम गांधी जयंती मनाते हैं। क्यों मनाते हैं इसके बारे में आज मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बताऊंगी। भारत के राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1969 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था। महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। हालांकि ये राष्ट्रपिता गांधी जी और बापू के नाम से भी पूरे विश्व में प्रसिद्ध है। गांधी जयंती के रूप में देश में बापू के जन्मदिन को मनाया जाता है, जबकि पूरे विश्व में इसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इनके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी और माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। गांधी जी की पत्नी का नाम कस्तूरबा गांधी था। महात्मा गांधी के पिता राजकोट राज दरबार में दीवान थे और मां एक कुशल गृहिणी थी। महात्मा गांधी ने जब अपनी स्कूली शिक्षा पूरी कर ली तो वकालत की पढ़ाई के लिए उन्हें दक्षिण अफ्रीका भेज दिया गया। दक्षिण अफ्रीका में ही एक ट्रेन यात्रा के दौरान रंगभेद की नीति के कारण उन्हें ट्रेन से बाहर फेंक दिया गया। यहीं से मोहनदास के महात्मा गांधी बनने की सफर की शुरुआत हुई। उन्होंने दक्षिण अफ्रीका में रहते हुए रंगभेद की नीति का घोर विरोध अहिंसा मुक्त तरीकों से किया और इसे सत्याग्रह का नाम दिया। सत्याग्रह आंदोलन की उनकी नीति रंग लाई और वहां रह रहे भारतीयों को वहीं की सरकार ने इस नीति से मुक्त कर दिया। महात्मा गांधी ने अंग्रेजी दस्ता से भारत को मुक्त करवाने के लिए असहयोग आंदोलन, सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन और भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन चलाया। महात्मा गांधी के आंदोलन से ही भारत 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजाद हुआ। 30 जनवरी 1948 को नाथूराम गुडसे नाम के व्यक्ति ने महात्मा गांधी की गोली मारकर हत्या कर दी। महात्मा गांधी का देहांत जरूर हो गया, लेकिन उनके विचार आज भी मिसाल बनकर हमारे पथ प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। महात्मा गांधी ने अपने अहिंसा और सत्य के प्रयोग से पूरे दुनिया को शांति का पाठ पढ़ाया। समय की जरूरत है कि देश महात्मा गांधी के आदर्शों और उनके दिखाए रास्ते पर आगे बढ़े। आइए आज हम गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर शपथ लें कि हम महात्मा गांधी के आदर्शों और उनके दिखाए रास्ते पर बढ़ने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Chinglin Bhoina from UKGB. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. He was born on 2 October. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
मैं विजय मेरा नाम प्रताप जी का मैं विजय करता हूँ। महात्मा गांधी जी हमारे राष्ट्रपिता थे। उनको बापू भी कहते थे। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर को हुआ था पोरबंदर में। पोएट विद्याबाई दत्त थे। जय हिंद।
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Kristana. My class UKG A. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. He was born 2 October 1869. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Ji. My name is Nima Dolma. I studied in class UKG Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great leader. He was born on 2nd October 1869. Mahatma Gandhi ji also called Bapu. Thank you.
Good evening, madam. My name is Jimmy Sanjay. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is बंदर. बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत कहो, बुरा मत देखो.
Thank you, Soshni Bala. I studied in class UKG A. Leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Nuru Kelsak. I study in class 1st, School Nani Gorwell, School Kharu. Happy birthday, Gandhi ji. Save our environment day. Let's go.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Madhu.
मैं झाड़ू करने की जा रही हूँ। थैंक यू मैम। गुड आफ्टरनून मैडम जी, माय नेम इज संजय वर्मा, आई स्टडी इन क्लास फर्स्ट। मैं महात्मा गांधी का एक रेसिपी बना रही हूँ। पहले हम इसमें 2021 लिखेंगे और इसकी छोटी सी आंखें बनाएंगे और इसकी थोड़ी आईब्रो बनाएंगी और इसकी थोड़ी सिर बनाएंगी और इसकी थोड़ी चश्मे बनाएंगी और इसकी थोड़ी सी मूछी बनाएंगी और इनकी थोड़ी सी गाली बनाएंगी। महात्मा गांधी जी की ऐसे कपड़े होती हैं और मैं महात्मा गांधी जी की डंडी बना रही हूँ। थैंक यू मैडम जी। महात्मा गांधी जी बर्थडे।
Good morning everyone, I am Tashi Chazang of class 8. Today we are here to give a small tribute to the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as national festival all over the country. He led our nation in our fight for the freedom, truth and non-violence were his only tools in the fight against the British. His way of fighting was satyagraha. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all respected principal and teachers. Today I am Pam Dolma of class 7th. Today I am going to tell you something about Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is known as the International Day for Non-Violence and Peace across the nation. Gandhiji was a faithful supporter of non-violence, truth and peace. This day we celebrate it as one of India's three national festivals, which is celebrated every year on 2nd October. Some institutions hold different programs like art and book exhibitions. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Today I, Pemba Dolma from 8th class, would like to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who spent his whole life in struggle for the independence of India. He was born in the Indian Hindu family on 2nd of October in 1869 in the Porbandar, Gujarat. He lived his whole life as a leader of the Indian people. His whole life story is a great inspiration for us. He is called as the Bapu or Rashtrapita as he spent his life in fighting against British rule for the freedom of us. While fighting with Britisher, he took help of his great weapons like non-violence and satyagraha movements to achieve freedom. My life is my message. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected to the principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Meena, class 7th. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat in Hindu family. Mahatma Gandhi was the great freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi was the pioneer of India Independence Day movement, century to British standard. The title of Mahatma was given to him South Africa in 1914. In India, Mahatma Gandhi was affectionately called Bapu and Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi has a place with a ship standing in waterfront Gujarat in India. Thank you.
Gandhi. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of the nation. His real name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar, who has added the name Mahatma due to their work. Gandhi is also known as Bapu. Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother was Putlibai. Kasturba Gandhi was his wife, married on 1883. After completing the matriculation, he went to London for future studies. The story of my experiments with truth is the autobiography of Gandhi. Covered his life from childhood through to 1921. This was published in his journal Nigerian. Non-violence is the main weapon of Gandhi. Gandhi against independence. He inspired civil rights and freedom across the world. So, 15 June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly voted to establish 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Lakpa Dishkit from Army Goodwill School, Karole. I am in 8th class. Today, it's with great and pride and honor, I want to say a few words about the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2 October 1969 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He was son of the Chief Minister of Porbandar, Karamchand Gandhi, and his mother was Putalibai. This year marked the 152 birth anniversary of the father of the nation. People fondly call him Bapu. He is known for his non-violent ways to fight from independence. Gandhiji completed his earlier studies in British-ruled India and then went on to pursue law in England. After practicing law in South Africa, he returned to India in 1915 and became a part of the Indian freedom struggle. He led important movements like No Cooperation Movement, Dandi March and Quit Indian movements. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer service and tributes all over India. Gandhi's favorite bhajan was Raghupati Raghav Rajaram is usually sang in his memory. On this great day, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti day. Thank you.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Nayan Ranjan from Army Goodwill School, class 8. Today is Gandhi Jayanti and this day we celebrate Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.